Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix FAB bank not working. If your app is not working properly, don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple and easy step to fix the problem. Just follow each step carefully. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working. Turn off your Wi-Fi, then turn it on. Or you can also do switch mobile data. Try opening any website to test internet. If internet is not working, the app will also not work properly. So the second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. And the other step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated the latest version. Open Play Store or App Store and search for the app. Tap on update option if it is available. Sometimes old version may not work properly. So another step is clear app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and crashing issues. So go to your phone setting, tap on apps or app management and click on app list or app, then search for your looking app. Tap on storage and cache, click clear cache. This removes temporary files causing problems. So the last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app, restart your phone and reinstall the app again from Play Store or App Store. And by doing all of it, this gives a fresh start to the app. If none of these helps, then you can contact to the customer service of the app by going on help center and they may help you to solve the issue coming on the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.